Deep inside a wild and dirty jungle, where tall trees blocked most of the sunlight and the ground was covered with mud, leaves, and broken branches, an old rusty bicycle had been lying there for many years. The frame was covered with thick rust, the chain was stiff and dry, and the tires were completely flat. It looked like someone had abandoned it long ago and nature had slowly taken it back. One morning, a hard-working man named Daniel was walking through the jungle to collect wood. As he pushed aside some bushes, he noticed a strange metal shape half buried in the mud. When he looked closer, he realized it was an old bicycle. At first it looked useless, but Daniel believed that with patience and effort many broken things could be fixed. He carefully pulled the bicycle out of the mud. It was very dirty and heavy, but he didn't give up. Slowly he carried and dragged it all the way back to his small workshop near the village. When he arrived home, he placed the bicycle outside and began examining it part by part. First, he took a bucket of water and washed off years of dirt, mud, and dried leaves. As the dirt disappeared, the shape of the bicycle became clearer. The metal frame was still strong, which gave him hope that it could work again. Then Daniel brought his toolbox. He removed the old chain and cleaned it with oil, rubbing away the rust carefully. He tightened the loose bolts on the frame and straightened the bent handlebar. The wheels were in bad condition, so he removed them and slowly repaired the spokes one by one. The tires were completely worn out, so he replaced them with old spare tires he had saved in his workshop. After that, he fixed the brakes so they could stop the bicycle safely. Hours passed as Daniel continued working patiently. He cleaned every small part, added oil to the pedals, and adjusted the seat. Slowly the bicycle started to look better and stronger. What once looked like junk from the jungle was slowly turning back into a working Mac.